The Genesis GV60 offers Remote Smart Parking Assist 2, or RSPA 2, which can assist with parking maneuvers by automatically controlling the steering and vehicle's speed. This parking assist feature can be operated while inside the vehicle, or from outside the vehicle by using the remote functionality on the smart key fob. To remotely move your GV60 when it is off and parked, approach and press the door lock button on your smart key fob to lock all doors. Then press and hold the remote start button within 4 seconds to start your vehicle. Depending on which direction your vehicle is parked, press either the forward button on the smart key fob to drive out of the spot or the reverse button to back out of the spot. The headlights and taillights will change from blinking amber to solid white when the vehicle begins moving. If you release the button or communication is interrupted, RSPA 2 will pause all movement. Press and hold the button again to continue moving the vehicle. RSPA 2 only operates when the smart key fob is within 13 feet of the vehicle. If the key fob does not seem to respond, check the distance to the vehicle and press the button again. When finished, press the remote start button on your smart key to turn off the vehicle and end Remote Smart Parking Assist. For assistance with perpendicular, diagonal, or parallel reverse parking, press the parking view button while the GV60 is turned on, the gear selector is in drive, and the brake pedal is depressed. Slowly drive forward, no faster than 12 miles per hour, while maintaining a distance of approximately 40 inches from the parked vehicles. A searching for parking space screen will appear on the infotainment screen as the GV60 automatically searches for nearby available parking spots. After a space is detected, the selected parking space will be displayed on the infotainment system screen, as well as a select parking type message. Depress the brake pedal, then touch the infotainment screen or use the central controller to select the desired parking type. You can select between smart parking or remote parking modes. Smart parking will automate the parking process for you while you remain inside the vehicle. If you select smart parking, press and hold the parking view button while depressing the brake pedal. As the brake pedal is released, Remote Smart Parking Assist will automatically control the steering, speed, and gear selection to guide the vehicle into the parking space. Note that the vehicle may move back and forth several times to ensure a perfect parking position, and you can still use the brake at any time. The vehicle will automatically guide itself into the selected parking space as long as the parking view button is continuously held down. If the parking view button is released, parking is paused until the button is pressed and held down again. Once you receive the parking completed confirmation message, you can release the parking view button and turn off the vehicle. If you'd prefer to exit the GV60 before parking takes place, remote parking allows you to control parking from outside the vehicle. To select remote parking, shift the gear to park, get out of the vehicle with the smart key fob, and close all doors and the liftgate. Press and hold either the forward or backward buttons on the smart key. If you release the button, remote parking will be paused until the button is held again. Remote Smart Parking Assist 2 will automatically control the steering, speed, and gear selection. When the vehicle finishes parking, it will emit a parking complete chime, display a parking completed message on the infotainment, and the vehicle will be turned off. Use the smart key fob to lock all doors before leaving. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.